No more roof burns. Alright. So just got the car back from the dealer, and at least no more panda-like issues. I mean, they left it dusty, but shit, there's no more burn marks. Nice and shiny, which we'll take a video later on. But I hope she'll like it. And after 2 long weeks, here's the finished product of having Honda repaint the car. Only gripe I have is that it did take an extra week than they expected, and they didn't end up painting the doors nor the bumpers because they weren't heavily damaged by the sun or the defects. So there are still scratches on the doors and the bumpers, but I mean, for a free paint job, I guess you can't go wrong, but taking an extra week kind of sucks. But it is nice and smooth, so I mean, I guess I'm pleased with the results, and I hope she's happy. Look at that. It's very nice.